This video is called The Food Pyramid is a Big Fat Lie. Cows eat grass their whole life. Yes, they have 5 stomachs, but they only eat grass, and they have a perfectly healthy life. They don't need a doctor or a psychiatrist. Koalas eat the managan leaves their whole life. They eat no other kind of leaf, only one kind of leaf their whole life, and they are perfectly healthy. They never need a doctor or a psychiatrist. Your pets, you got a fish or a bird or a dog or a cat, what do you feed them? You pretty much feed them the same thing every day. A tin of meat or some bird seed or fish flakes, right? Those animals live their whole life relatively healthy. You rarely have to take them to the vet. So what's going on with us humans? Why are we eating lots and lots and lots of different foods all at once? Somebody has convinced us there's this food pyramid and we've got to eat all this food, and this is completely wrong. It's a big fat lie. Our stomach produces acid to digest meat, and it produces a different acid to digest potatoes and vegetables and fruit and nuts, and all these different things require different stomach acids. And if you eat them all at once in one meal, it's like a really bad classroom with a chemistry teacher who gets these different chemicals and let's see what happens when we pour these chemicals together and pour them together and this is why people have big fat bellies, because they've got this chemical reaction going on in their stomach and lots of gas, and can see people walking around who are obese and they're eating lots of food and they look tired and sick, and they've got diabetes and all kinds of problems because their stomach is not digesting the food and getting the nutrients. It's having this battle of acids, and then the autoimmune system says, you know, this is like a chemical warfare going on here. We don't want this, and it just flushes all the food out of your system, and it doesn't digest the nutrients. So you can eat as much food as you like, and the things that your body needs is not going into your body, and all of the important minerals like magnesium and potassium and so on that your brain needs is not going. And of course, the result is mental illness and autoimmune disease and diabetes and all kinds of problems. So the way to solve this is to eat one thing at a time. You sit down for a meal and you just have a piece of steak. That's all, nothing else, just one piece of steak, or a piece of fish, or only green leafy vegetables, or only stone fruits, or only acid fruits. Acid fruits and stone fruits are different. Never mix them together. You have a chemical warfare going on in your stomach. Only have potatoes. Only have one egg. If you want to have a snack, boil an egg, just have an egg. That's all. Nothing else. Do not have a coffee with your breakfast and mix all that acid together and sugar and all this. It causes mayhem for your stomach. So the food pyramid is a big fat lie. Big fat lie. Enjoy.